Ever heard the phrase, "a dollar today is worth more than a dollar tomorrow"? That isn't just a saying, it's the core principle of financial modeling. This isn't about guesswork, it's about using mathematics to give us a clearer picture of the future and make smarter decisions in the present. Let's start with the power of time. If you invest $1,000 today at 5% annual interest, the magic of compounding turns it into more than $1,600 in 10 years. That's its future value. The math shows us the concrete potential of patience. But we can also work backward. This is called present value. A promise of $5,000 in 5 years isn't actually worth $5,000 today. If you could be earning 6% interest elsewhere, that future cash is only worth about $3,700 right now. This simple calculation is how businesses value future profits and make big investment choices. The same logic applies to our own lives, like loans or retirement savings, which are structured as a series of regular payments called an annuity. Math can show that a $20,000 loan at 4% interest will actually cost you nearly $22,000 in interest over 5 years. Of course, investing isn't always that predictable. So how does math handle uncertainty? By calculating an expected return, a weighted average of all possible outcomes, and it measures risk using a concept called standard deviation. The real genius comes in portfolio optimization, combining different assets like stocks and bonds to lower your overall risk without sacrificing too much return. It's the mathematical proof behind not putting all your eggs in one basket. From simple savings to complex portfolios, these financial models are powerful tools. They help us analyze decisions and plan for the future. But remember, they are built on assumptions. They are not crystal balls. The real key is to use these models as a guide and always pair the numbers with sound judgment.